Hi, my name is Irina. Today I am testing out Newline Flex along with Reactiv Suite, the revolutionary solution for hybrid work environments and remote meetings. On the video you can see how the Newline Flex looks like, and on the left side you can see the list of specifications which Newline Flex has, and I want to start with the camera. The camera is 4K camera and you can see me perfectly because the image quality is really good and you have a feeling that the person is actually standing just right in front of you. Also, you can connect another camera, just like me, or some other device by using USB port, and this device has 3 USB ports and HDMI ports. Also, I love how the touchscreen works. It's extremely responsive, and the stylus gives you a feeling that you are actually using a real pen and paper, which makes it awesome to work here because it's just super easy and nice. Another good feature about Newline Flex is you can adjust the surface. For example, if you wanna write something and if you wanna do some brainstorming in Scribble, just like I am trying to do now, it makes it really comfortable to put all the necessary content, resize and adjust it. And also, if you, let's say you made a mistake while you were putting notes, you can just easily click on the button here and it starts erasing. Very comfortable, very easy, and I personally fell in love with the device. Also, it's really minimalistic because it has everything what you need and it doesn't clutter your desktop with other extra cables. From speakers to the remote control buttons with which you can control volume, turn off and turn on the camera and microphone. And also I like the adjustable surface of the screen, so it makes it really easy to make some notes, for example. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to find out more about Reactiv Suite, please go on our website page www.vizera.com, Newline Interactive, and stay tuned by following us on social media.